I was educated in Britain, probably tell by my accent, and I wanted to do something to do with engineering, right? There was a talk by the chief designer of the Pegasus engine, which was the engine used in the Harrier jump jet. So he gave a talk about design and how you got design, and they talk to, aerodynamics and assembly people and machinists and all these other people, and they take all this input and define what's going to be made and built into an engine. I thought, wow, this sounds really cool. So that was it. That was what put me on the design track. I was able to get in with Rolls-Royce jet engines in Bristol, and at the end of the apprenticeship, more or less, I was put onto a team that was designing a new engine. It was quite complicated, and I actually got a patent on my design, which was awesome, my first job. And then when I was in design, actually, Dave McMurtry, who is now Sir David McMurtry, he was the first inventor, true inventor I ever worked with, and the sort of guy where you're struggling with a problem, and he'd come along and come up with 3 ideas within minutes of just looking at what you're working on. He just had this ability to just see all these solutions. I love to visualize what's needed to meet a requirement and then turn that into some sort of definition. I've never worked in a company where there's such a good atmosphere, such good collaboration and respect. You don't just poo-poo somebody because they're not a designer. What do they know? It's because they have a brain, they can think things out, they may not have the solution, but they can help you find a solution. It is the best job of my life. Working in Genesis is amazing. It's just a very unique company. I'm Steve Chamberlain, one of the humans of Genesis.